Welcome to the bustling city of Davao, a gem nestled in the heart of southern Philippines. Renowned for its lush landscapes, vibrant culture, and the majestic Mount Apo, Davao City is a must-see destination for any travel enthusiast. Relish the tranquil beauty of the Pearl Farm Beach Resort, a tropical paradise that promises serenity and relaxation. Marvel at the Eden Nature Park, a testament to the city's commitment to preserving its natural beauty. Davao City isn't just about scenic views, it's a city that celebrates life. Yearly, the city is transformed into a vibrant spectacle during the Crocodile Festival, a week-long celebration of thanksgiving for nature's bountiful harvest. And let's not forget the city's pride, the Philippine Eagle. The Philippine Eagle Center is a sanctuary dedicated to the conservation of this endangered species. But Davao City is more than just its tourist spots. It's the warmth of the people, the sumptuous food, and the sense of community that makes it truly special. Discover the charm of Davao City, a city of life, beauty, and culture, where every day is a celebration. So what are you waiting for? Davao City awaits. Break time, cats.